Good morning, everyone, and happy Halloween. And on this Halloween, I don't have any candy, but I did get a brand new VEVOR 8-in-1 heat press. Now, you guys, it literally just got dropped off by FedEx. I was super anxious, ran out there and dragged this big boy into the house, okay? But you guys know I had just posted recently also another heat press that I had got from a good friend of mine, but I also wanted a brand new heat press as well. So, and I still have my two Cricut heat presses, the 12 by 10 and also the 9 by 9, okay? So I'm trying to get everything that I think I'll need, to get my t-shirt business up and running, you know what I'm saying? So let's get this bad boy, or should I say big boy, unboxed. And by the way, did I say this was a big boy? It is really heavy, y'all. Really heavy. Bow. And already I can kind of make out what everything is. This looks like the hat cap press right here. Yep, I do believe it is. And in the back, it looks like that's going to be for the mugs and the tumblers. Yep, I believe it is. Yep, it looks like two different heat presses for that. And then right here in the middle front, that looks like it's going to be for plates. Yep, two different plates in there, heat presses. And of course, this right here is the controller to set the temperature and the timer for the heat press. And that, my friend, is the heat press itself. Oh, it just looks so beautiful. And again, talk about heavy. This thing is indeed very heavy. Use your knees, not your back, okay? And right on the top, in the very front of the machine, underneath the lever, it does say caution, hot surface, avoid contact, high pressure, avoid, what does that say? Squig it? Is that what it's called? Squig it? Now, it came with already closed, of course, the heat press. But then it has the lever right here. You just pull up the lever to lift up the heat press. Pretty easy to spin around because it is a swing out. 360. Wow. But you got to watch that cord back there. Watch the cord. Pretty smooth to spin around. And it has two pads underneath. Two foam pads. The white one, the orange one. Now, as far as putting this bad boy together, I think I'm going to have my handyman handle that for me. So we'll be back. And you guys, as you can see here are all the parts that come with this 8-in-1. Besides the actual big heat press itself, here's all the parts, the accessories. It comes with one fully assembled machine with platen press, a hat press, 4 mug presses, as you see there, 2 plate presses, 1 removable silicone pad and cotton pad, 1 operating manual, t-shirts, cups, and hats not included, of course. Okay, we know that. So with this heat press, I can basically make t-shirts, of course. Also, I can make hats, mugs, ceramic plates, tumblers, caps, everything. And from the description of this heat press, it says, the appearance of the heat press has been updated. Please note that the old and new packaging will be shipped randomly. It has precise digital control, 360 degrees, swing away feature, adjustable spring plates, and 8-in-1 versatile kit. And y'all see what comes with it on the table right there. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8 accessories. So your girl is so excited to get started. I'm going to start off with some t-shirts, of course. But hopefully soon I'll be rotating around to doing some mugs, some bottles, plates, hats, clothing, and pillows and bags. I plan on making like all my grandbabies' clothes, okay? And I already started. You know what, you guys? I didn't even have to need my handyman to hook this thing up. It literally came like basically assembled. The only thing that I had to do was put the temperature and the timer on here. And if you can see right there, I'll zoom. Right there, it just slides right into there. And then on the side of it, that's where you put the cord. You just stick the cord into the little hole into the temperature and the timer part. And that was it. And I've already made my first t-shirt with my new heat press. And there she goes. Right there. Now that's not me. It's just, avatar that I use. I think I'm going to use for like my advertising. So that's not me. But you can tell that she has t-shirts behind her. Also, there's some cakes and cupcakes in front of her. And a Cricut cutter next to her. Y'all know I'm a personal custom cake decorator. And I'm venturing off into this custom t-shirt business. So that's why I came up with this design. Which I think is really cool. But, one of my hashtags for baking cakes is, I bake for you. And as you can see right there, her shirt says, I create for you. Okay? Okay. Let's go. Let's go.